I'm going to be showing you one of the most important charts you're going to see all week long. And if you're watching this starting off this new week here on a Sunday night or a Monday, you'll be thanking me. I'm B7 here with Grok Trade, and I'm going to start off with weekly charts first. And let's take a look at these weekly charts. This is the Spider S&P 500 chart, weekly chart, second time in the last 2 weeks that we've been higher than this trend line. That is huge, huge, huge. Two things have happened. Number one is we have, after a big run to the upside, and it looks like Mark, you can only see the corner of it down there. Mark, the Meerkat, just said that his class for the mentorship is going very well. Big class with individuals of the a lot of you from Trade Surge coming through to us. But two big things that have jumped out at me on the S&P 500 weekly chart these 2 weeks over the trend line. That is good. However, we got two things. After a big run to the upside, we have a hanging man. Anytime you get a hammer at the top, that is a hanging man. The second thing we have, look closely, gang, almost an equal top. That is a tweezer top. On the weekly chart, tweezer top is not a good thing, and you have a hanging man at the same time. What does this mean? If next week, this coming week, we go lower, 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 this will be a jab. That will be a sizable drop to the downside that we can expect, okay? If you go over here to the diamonds, if you look at this, we pulled back and we bounced 3 weeks in a row, going up, 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 up on increasing volume, looking good. Symmetrical triangle, broke out, pulled back, bounced, and is up. If you look here at the Qs, Q, up, 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 we got over it, we pulled back, we popped up, and then last week we went down, touched that trend line, and up, 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 up. Hanging man up here at the top. Question is, will this be breaking down and then get down below this? If so, a huge jab. And I like to look at the Russell's 2000. Big symmetrical triangle, boom, to the upside. Last 2 weeks breaking major resistance up levels 2 weeks ago, and up, up, up on this one. But the volume ticked lower on this rally to the upside. Wow, interesting. If you look here at the financials, I always like to look at the financials and see what I can expect. Well, if you look at this, not nearly as exciting because we rallied up right into resistance. Do you see this? This is showing relative weakness in the confines of a big rising wedge. Big rising wedge. Now, this brings us to the most important chart of the week that I'm going to show you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to bring in the S&P 500 daily chart. We have good old-fashioned rising wedge. We rallied up, hit resistance, continued to melt upward. We pulled back to support. We were staying at support. We could not get back to resistance. We find weakness and then bam, broke down on the daily chart again. Friday, boom, to the upside. Where did it go? Right to our trend line. It got above it at one point on Friday, pulled back at it. If I pull up a line chart, you just cannot get any more picture perfect than that. So, gang, what do you think is going to happen? Down, up to resistance, former support, now resistance. Will we break higher? Will this be great? After all, it looks like the Fed's got our lower rates going into next month. So is it buy the rumor, sell the news? So what's happening going into the future here? All we can do is watch these charts. Right now, I cannot stress enough that we should be very careful being long in this market right now because of what I just showed you on these charts. These charts should be speaking to you. Let's see what happens. Now, Could the economic news and the policies of the administration continue to push this market higher? You better believe it. You better believe this could keep clawing higher. However, technically speaking, what I'm showing you here on these charts, this could go south and fast. So, what should we do as investors? Be smart. What should we do as investors? Make sure we have our stop losses in place. What should we do as investors? Follow money management principles. What should we do as traders? Do risk management control. A lot of things you got to think about. A lot of things. If you do all those things, you will help preserve the capital you work so hard to earn that you're trading with out there in the markets. So, with that, if I earned a like, give me a like. It doesn't cost you anything to do so. And maybe you notice I didn't run any ads on this. So, that's worth a like by itself. Feel free to subscribe. Catch up with you guys later. Bye.